Hello everyone, welcome to Oviyan EduCom. In this video we are going to talk about the COVID-19 coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections, ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. Some of the most common types of coronavirus include these: alpha coronavirus and beta coronavirus. The most recent strain is that of the SARS-CoV-2 causing the coronavirus disease 2019. This is the label diagram of coronavirus. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. CO stands for corona, VI for virus, and D for disease. Formally, this disease was referred to as 2019 novel coronavirus or 2019 nCoV. The COVID-19 virus is a new virus linked to the same family of viruses as severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and some types of common cold. COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. COVID-19 is now a pandemic affecting many countries globally. Here is a look at how the COVID-19 virus propagates in the human body. Virus enters a cell. Viruses cannot multiply without using a cell's protein-making machinery, so they first need to gain entry into the healthy cell. Coronaviruses like the one that cause COVID-19 have a cell of spiky protein that allow them to bind to the cells. Virus releases genetic code. Virus fuses with the cell and once inside releases a strand of RNA like a blueprint. RNA is a string of genetic code that has instructions to make exact copies of the virus. Genetic code converts to proteins. Tiny particles in the host cell called ribosomes are equipped to read genetic material. When the virus RNA passes through the ribosome produces viral protein. Protein make copies. Viral proteins are needed to make copies of the viral RNA as well as other parts of the virus like the outer spikes and membrane. As more proteins and RNA strands are made, they proliferate, making exponentially more copies that fill up the cell. Viral parts get assembled. The viral parts use mechanisms in the host cell to come together, forming a complete virus. When fully assembled, the virus can exit the cell to seek other healthy cells and start the process again. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. Most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms: aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers or toes. Serious symptoms: difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. Seek immediate medical attention if you have serious symptoms. Always call before visiting your doctor or health facility. People with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should manage their symptoms at home. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. How does COVID-19 spread? People can catch COVID-19 from others who have the virus. The disease spreads primarily from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are expelled when a person COVID-19 coughs, sneezes, or speaks. These droplets are relatively heavy, do not travel far, and quickly sink to the ground. People can catch COVID-19 if they breathe in these droplets from a person infected with the virus. People can become infected by touching infected objects or surfaces, then touching their eyes or nose or mouth. Some reports have indicated that people with no symptoms can transmit the virus. It is not yet known how often it happens. WHO is assessing ongoing research on the topic. How to prevent the spread of COVID-19? To prevent the spread of COVID-19, clean your hand often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distance is not possible. Do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces every day. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. Calling in advance allows your healthcare provider to quickly direct you to the right health facility. This protects you and prevents the spread of viruses and other infections. How to wear a mask? Put dust mask on bands behind your hand. Place it over your chin. First the upper band, then the lower band. Check the seal. Cover the filter. Exhale and inhale. No air must pass through the seal. Put the rest on the PPE on. It's on us to win the fight against COVID-19. Thank you for watching my video.